Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As my baby girl's nursery is renovated, it's time to decorate it with few handmade decorations. For today's video I've prepared 3 new projects perfect for kids' room. It's great to create unique items for your little one. So without any further ado, let's get right into the first project. As my first project, I will be making small basket. It's great as a decorative piece or storage solution. You can also make it much bigger than I do. I'm using a glass pot which was quite straight. As I will be using hot glue, I covered the pot with cleaning film so it will be easier to remove it later on. To make the basket strong, you will need thick rope. I turn the pot upside down and start wrapping the rope around it. I glue the first swirl and then carry on around it. I tried not to drop any glue on the cleaning film and apply the glue only on the rope. Once the bottom is done, turn the pot again and continue wrapping the rope around it. I glue small section at a time, this way basket will stay strong. When I reach the top of the pot, I remove the rope by sliding it down. To make it look more like for the kids, I want to give it a look of the kitten. Continuing with the same rope, I create ears. I fold the rope slightly up and then glue it. Using the felt fabric, I will make the kitten face. You can't really see me drawing on the black felt, so I skip the process and show you what I've already cut out. You can make any animal you like and play around with the colors. Instead of the felt fabric, you can also just paint on the rope. Next project will be made with using my X-Tool laser cutter. I open the program and choose triangle from the shape section. You can adjust the size you want. I try to make it slightly longer than wider. Each triangle shape will contain one letter from the baby's name. I have to make sure it fits nicely before I cut it out. I change the font and add 2 holes. 1 hole for each top corner. This will be the space for the rope to go through. I place 2mm plywood instead the machine and refresh the image. I also put masking tape around the plywood. That's what I usually do, and it helps with preventing the burns. I have to adjust the size of my project to the size of my wood. I group all parts together so they change size on the same scale. To use as much of the wood and have the least amount of waste, I cut the triangle and 3 letters on one piece, and then let the machine do the rest of the job. I keep the triangle shapes untouched, but paint the letters. I'm going with the same color what's already on one of the walls in my nursery. I only paint the fronts. Once they dry, I glue them to the another part with super glue. I pull the string through the holes and my bunting is ready. These boho looking wall hanging rainbows are very popular and sometimes very pricey as well. And what's the solution for it? Make your own one. I start with putting wooden beads on copper wire. It doesn't have to be very thick wire, but not too soft, as well as it won't hold the shape. Make it as big as you like. For next row, I'm taking my thick rope and wrap green cord around it. And to connect 2 parts together, I simply glue them with hot glue. You can again play around with items you are using. Different colors, shapes and textures add more variety to this decoration. I've tried to make all rows to the same level with others. To secure the beads in place, I apply generous amount of the hot glue under the last bead. And then cut off the excess wire. To finish it off and cover the ends, I'm adding ready-made pom-poms, 5 small ones on each end. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. Even if you are not expecting a baby, these ideas are great as a handmade gifts for your family members or friends with the little ones. Don't forget about the like button if you enjoyed today's video. And for now, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.